Tapa mai ko te kawano, wai ko te kawano, rangi ngara. No papa e whekane. Mātai a te horonga, whakapapapau na mutangaroa mahine.
Toi āwhio. Hine, kāti. Hine. Kei te pai hine.
Kia ora tama. Rona, maria mai te kope kohu kohu. O tā mai te ikurahine. Kia ora. Hara mai.
Taku kainga kau. Kaua koe māharahara. Kai te whakapiki ake koe. Ka haere koe hei kō. Ka hoki wahine mai.
Tēnei o te tau, puto toi heke, kaue mai nei te kōronga kōhine ki tōna kōronga wahine. Uhi wero haro mai te mauri o te kano, ui uha. E hoko ai tangi manga o ne o te pitau whakarei ana wai nā papa. E hui a mai ko te tapanga a hine hine a na wahinea, nā ia hine o te wā heke tokona, kau te uha. Ko hine huone, ko hine tītama, ko hine te iwa, ko te whare tangata, ko te whare o te ora, ko te whare o te mate, ko te toto a mawi, tiki, uia ki te tata pounamu, haere si tūrangi ti atu, he po. E hinu, tēnā koe, he kōtiro, he wahine toa, he wahine maia, he wahine waiwai kaikakua. Huna atu he te kura, hara mai rā he te kura. Sure.
Kia ora e te hoa kākari. Me whawhai tāua.
E hine, haere koe tikana ki konei. Ko te hoa tēnei o tō wānanga.
E heka, he take hoki reira. Rātai katoa. Pirangi kia au tēnei ho mai ki konei. Kai a tāua ki te tikanga.
Hine, e te tino tapu koe i nānei. Me hoki atu koe ki tō whare wānanga. Kia kaha e hine.
Kumu nui. Haere mai. He take nui tonu tēnei, hei kaitiaki mo te iwi. Engari koe hine, ko eke. Kauri au I te mohio. Engari e hara noko nei. Aroha mai whaia. Kui, I konei tētahi manene I runga I o mātou whenua. Kaori I te tika, kei te haere au ki te rapa I aia.
Kao, ke muti rāno te wānanga, katai anō koe ka wātea ki te haere te rapa te tangata nei. Kao.
I whati au te tapu mā te hoki atu. I te nanu kea whae rau ko koe ki au.
Kao, I mōhio rātou ki a koe. Katoa mai, he tika kia pēnā. Nā kui I pupuri te wā, kia tai rawa ake ki tō hokinga mai. Haere mai ki roto nei.
Kao, tino makariri kei roto rā.
Kia tere, me tīmata te hoki atu. Tōti parera ukura Ona mupi ata Ta whaitia Ko kiri moko e
Ariki tō kōrua whaia.
Tino pai e hine.
tino taonga. Tō tīpararau kura, panamu pia pata, tō whaitia, tō moko kirie. No mua tui tō tukitea koe koe, hinarana korero na tonga miharo ia koe. Kura ki te manu, ere arorangi, amu te mauri, hiraro i te awa. Tēnā koe, mo te aoturoa. Koe te tino taonga. My butterfly. I haven't forgotten you. You, my comfort, the joy, the one I let go. But time, my butterfly, has a wisdom of its own.
Kere he tino whakahirahira tēnei. Now, we want your pūrerehua to fly, not die. Oh, you can laugh now, but it's not me up on that stage. And you won't win best poi with dying moths. Anō.
Kia ora.
Anania, me prakatihi te pūrerehua koa. Anō!
I'll get it fire.
Ki te au iako te hei te hauro o te rimakaraka, please. Sharp. And don't forget your fella's sheets this time.
Catherine. Catherine? Catherine? I thought you were studying at your friend's place tonight. Catherine, answer me.
I am, Mum. I just need to grab a couple things.
What time will you be back tomorrow?
I'm not.
What?
I'm back the day after.
2 days to study.
I've just got some things I need to take care of.
Like what? This? That Maori stuff's not going to get you anywhere, Catherine.
Whatever, Mum.
Come on, Rosie, hurry up.
Coming.
Thanks for saving my spot.
Tippy, you egg.
Egg? Excellent. Gorgeous girl. Why, thank you. You feeling okay?
You know the koru symbolises new life.
Just focus on tomorrow, Kegil. We'll worry about the day after. After. Come on, Miss Butterfly, before you lose your spot.
Ko koe te poi, ko te poi ko koe. He kōtiro koutou, kōtiro a tāua. Your poi is an extension of you, it's part of your body. You are beautiful young women. Wahine, graceful. Put that into your poi. Ka poi. Tippy. Good. Tibata! If you want to win this point, what point? Can't sleep. Yeah, I don't blame you. Sounds like a pack of wild animals fighting in there. And it's only Matua Pete.
I'll get it for her.
I know you will. I know, girl. You just have to relax and enjoy it. Let that ihi and wehi rise up in you. Even if you're not feeling the best. You look after yourself, eh? Me noi tātou. E tō mātou matua I te rangi. I noi ana ki a koe mo tō aroha, tō kaha, me tō manaakitanga. Ko roa te tatari mō tēnei rā whakahirahira. Nā reira, o mai kia mātou te ihi, te wehi, te wana, hei whakaputa atu te pūrere hua I roto I tēnā o mātou. Rōria ki tō ingoa tapu. Amen.
Nail it, Kitty. You got this.
Pretty here. King up, boy. Boy. Ready.
Titiro pakarunga Papa ki mai ana o pariro Te wai a o tō ahua Te huato o tō rere E rite ki te puti e kohine Me tamanu I te rā Me tamanu I te rā
We won best boy that day. But after the dream was over, I knew what had to be done. And then you flew away. The one I let go. Time has a wisdom of its own. And now, my butterfly, it's time to come home.
Siro whakarunga Papa ki mai ana o parirau Te mai mai a o toa hua Te hua tau o torere Heri te ki te puti puti e kori nei Me tamanu i te rā Me tamanu i te rā Pūrere ua Herere erere
Tuo fa l'americano, americano, americano, senta a me chi non fa tanto. Tu vuoi vivere alla moda, ma se bevi whisky e soda, poi ti senti disturbato. Tu abballo rock e roll, tu gioca a baseball, lei sorte peccamella. Chi te li dà la borsetta di mamma tua fa l'americano, americano, americano, ma si nati in Italia, siendo a me non c'è sta niente fa, ok napolitan, tuo fa l'americano, tuo fa l'americano.
1 week trial, man. I really need the job. Not my problem.
Si tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna. Ok napolitan, tuo fa l'americano, tuo fa l'americano.
Bueno, garita.
I heard you were a bit weird.
No, boss.
You were a reluctant favor, Ivan. Remember that. Day 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whatever it is you want, I don't care.
What's that?
Nothing?
4.
Hello? It's nothing. Yeah, I'll be right there.
You were the last one here.
It wasn't me.
Oh, then who? You know, you're a strange one, Ivan. You spooked or something?
I'll clean this up, Mickey.
2 days. Unless you pull a miracle.
Okay, I see you. I see you, okay? Leave me alone.
What are you looking at?
Just give me a second.
Seconds up. Oh, by the way, I lost a guy. I'll see you next week.
I saw the girl.
Hey, where you going?
Oh, I'm sorry, Mickey. Forgot. One.
48 hours and I'm waiting 2 hours for you.
Hey! Stop! Hurry up! You got a bag?
What have I got to pay? See how many hours close. Go, man! Faster! Freedom!
How good does it feel to get out?
Good. You have no idea how much I've missed fresh air, eh?
Hey. Hey. Ngā mihi ki ngā mana ki tanga I uwhi a mai ai e koutou. I know you know this, but I got it. He wai mana whenua te hohonu kei te whakoki atu nei te au. Ko te whakaro nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o, nuku te ai o.
How's Mum?
She's all good.
Me.
Keeps asking about you, eh? I'll take you home now, eh?
Can I come stay with you?
Don't you have to go to Mum's?
No.
But what if they find out? You'll get longer.
They're not going to check. It's fine.
Don't you want to see her?
No. Fuck her. She never came to see me.
Do you ever think about what happened?
Where you going?
I told you to keep your fucking hands off me!
What the fuck? Give me my keys! Give me my fucking keys, you bitch! Hey! Fuck sakes, Crystal!
No, I don't think about it, eh?
Let's go! Let's go!
Are they all your flatmates?
Yeah.
Are you having a party or something?
Nah, it's just Friday night. We always have a few drinks. You all good? We'll go see Mum tomorrow.
Maybe.
These vices, forced sacrifices, make light and afford the prices. There's no virus, we don't naturally want to get higher and crave desires. People feed for emotion, beg for attention and social promotions. Fear and a judgment, we're a reaction based on assumption. Everybody's way too hurried, worried about themselves to ever worry about you. But the better remains eternal, be against my self-control. I wanna know what I can't see, don't wanna skip the things and get in the grass is green.
This is my room.
That's awesome.
Actually, oh, well, you show me.
Yeah.
How's it?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, check that out.
Your foot?
Just come on when you're ready, Bob. And Crystal, don't mention where you've just come from, okay? And you're cool if I have a few drinks, eh?
Whatever.
Oh god! Sorry.
I was just looking at it.
You can use it if you want.
Holy shit. Are you Storm, sister? Kristen?
Crystal.
So good to meet you, girl. Oh. Hey, Storm said you've been overseas.
Yeah.
Like in the army or something.
Yeah.
Kind of look like you've been in the army. No offense. Hey, do you want some? Come here. Come on, guys. Mm-hmm. And then, Beautiful. Have you met everyone else?
No, I just got here.
Oh, come on. Stop talking about vaginas! It's natural! Follow your urge. Ew!
Oh, this is my sister.
Hey! Seriously, it's not weird.
Hey, I'm Eli.
Crystal.
It's nice to meet you.
Today, honestly. I mean, I guarantee that
Hey, is Crystal single?
Oh, no, I think she's seeing someone else.
You don't do it about him. Well, you look cute like
I'm his twin.
Oh, true.
real?
Nice long head sister, to be honest.
Hey, you do now.
Well,
Right.
welcome. No mai haere mai, Crystal. Te whare.
Welcome, sis.
Cheers. And we have... Hey! 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 Hey!
Oh, no.
Get out.
you know, you reverse it.
It came out. Oh, that counts. So.
You return it. Oh, we're sitting right here.
Oh, I think the game's ready. Cool.
I'm drinking beer.
I have no fear. I don't care.
Put your hands in the air.
That was a rookie mistake. Right. Oh, another 9. Let's get it, bro. Drop the beat.
I got you.
Fruits and left with my orange.
So yummy. Orange.
Orange.
What the hell's a orange?
Definition, please.
Drink.
Not just some of it, all of it. Not just some of it, all of it. That wasn't even all of them, man.
Some of it.
One time. Oh, fuck! She ruined it. This is a tiny one, right? Oh, no. Yeah, she should
Got a boyfriend?
No. Of course she doesn't. You're gay, right? No. Well, I think it's cool. It's cool to be gay right now, guys. Yeah. It's hot. Oh! Shut up! It wasn't me! It was Crystal! What you guys doing? What you guys doing? What you guys doing?
Smoke? Sorry.
Thank you. Do you have a lighter?
Nah, sorry. I don't smoke. And those are Storms as well. Hey, can I kiss you? Please?
I'm not gay.
It's okay. Hey. Crystal.
Oh, Crystal.
to go home. I want Mum.
Are you okay? Too much to drink?
No, I'm not allowed to drink. It's part of my condition of my release.
Released from where? From prison?
You in prison?
Wait, Crystal, don't.
What do you mean? What did you do?
I hit a kid with my car. It was accidentally, but...
Wait, Crystal, don't. Don't.
I know who you are. You're that girl. That was my friend's cousin you hit.
Go, leave it, man. Please.
I know who you are. You know she's paralysed now, eh? She can't walk, that girl. She's paralysed. Ka mohi koe ne.
Don't stop!
Fuck you!
Why, look at me!
Get the fuck out of my house!
I'm sorry.
Look at me. Look at me. It's okay.
Police? There's a woman here. She's scaring us.
Crystal! Crystal!
Mum.
Babe, where are you?
I'm coming home.
I believe God is the sun. Explain the feelings I get when nighttime come. Laying in my bed, victim to my head. All the shit I haven't done and opportunities passed on. So when I pass on, how will they remember me? The man that I am or the one that I could have been? Team captain, a captive to self-esteem.
Are you okay? Do you need help? Are you her mother? Hey. Now it's a little girl. She must be between 7 or 8. Yeah, she's still breathing. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. There's this woman. It's kind of weird. Look at me. Oh, she's talking. Look at me. Okay. Can you hear me? Oh, she's standing here. Are you alright? Sorry, I don't know what's going on. She just standing with the car.
Tēnā koe. Pēhea koe.
E pai?
Pēhea papa. I made you afternoon tea. Mum's not eating.
Kāre au I te kai e ko.
Haere mai. Ko mama, ko au, ko papa, me koe. There's Dad, and that's me and his bike. And that's me and Dad and Mum. Mum looks really pretty when she smiles. Close your eyes. Hold out your hand. Open. It's dead. I've got an idea. I'm coming with you today.
Nera.
Which jacket? Mum's fur one or Dad's leather one? Do my makeup. I bet Dad thinks you're pretty. You're really beautiful.
Me koe hoki.
Okay. I'm ready.
Oh, you like to lunch, stink bum?
You want the stink bum?
Oh, come on. You want to be the master of buttons?
Yeah.
All right. Tai, tua, tori. Push it.
Done.
It's begging you to ask.
Why didn't you take me?
Kua kōrero hia kētia. E hara I te mea he tika.
I want to see my dad! You're a stink god, Hinenui Paul. Why did you even come here?
Kāre au I konei mōu, e kō.
My heart is begging you. My heart is
I'll step down. Amaya, step down really carefully.
That's Dad's jacket! Take it off!
Okay, yeah. I think someone really special should look after this jacket. Someone so magical. Someone I love more than anything in the world should look after this jacket. Do you think you can keep it safe for us?
Ke a koe.
Amaya?
Tell him that we love him, we miss him, and give him a big hug from us.